Hey Kayla, where are we going?
To the dump.
Dump done. Back in Fayetteville today. Gonna do a road ride out in the country here near Eastover on River Road. And so I'm gonna do a bike feature probably like halfway through the ride. And so we'll get to see the specs on the Pure Cycles gravel adventure bike. So I think we're gonna do probably about 20 miles today. Plans got kind of changed. So I only have about like, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half to ride today, but hopefully we can get some good miles in and some good footage for y'all to see. So there's a saying that vegan cyclists made a video about, and he called it a t-shirt ride, when you know, just want to have a chill ride, not going for like super high numbers, or you know, just a fun ride. And as you can see, that's what I'm doing today. So that's pretty much what I do every ride. Not a super fast guy, but we'll have fun. Speaking of vegan cyclists, how did you get those sick overhead shots with the drone when there's nobody with him? That's magic. It must be magic. That's it. It's just magic. All right, guys, bike check time. So this is the Pure Cycles gravel adventure bike. I saved up and got this maybe, I want to say maybe like a month and a half ago. So far I've put about like 200 or so miles on it, maybe a little bit more, maybe 250. But so far this thing has been absolutely awesome. Excuse the sound, there's a motorcycle coming by. Take a quick break. And we're back. So like I said, I put about 250 miles on this. The things that I've changed so far are the water bottle holders. Didn't come with any, so my wife got me some dope ones from Ibera. It sounds like a familiar brand, but I'm not sure. My wife also got me some Crank Brothers Candy One pedals. I don't know how good these are, but honestly, so far they're really easy to clip into, feel very secure, and I like that there's a little bit of platform there. Excuse me, gotta wipe my eyes. I like there's a little bit of platform there, so you don't get like hot spots on your foot from just like a metal, like an egg beater or something. I don't know that I would like that. So, oh yeah, my brother-in-law Carter, he gave me this Chainstay Protector. Love that thing, because I already got some chips in the paint just a month and a half that I've had this. But I also put on these, I think they're Ritchie Venture Max Comp, not the WCS. I got that idea from Dustin Klein. He rocks these on a lot of bikes and they look awesome. The last thing is this Fsa Stem. The stock one, it did fine. I just like the way this one looks better, honestly. But that's all I've changed. So let's give you guys a few shots of the actual bike. So from the front here, you can see we've got Shimano Claris STI shifters. These are the new ones. I think it's something like R2000, you know, R2D2, something like that. Honestly, guys, these things shift awesome. I love them. The only thing I've used other than this is like friction shifters, so I can't compare it to like Campy or SRAM, but so far I really love these. We've got some Pro Max disc brakes on here. Never heard of Pro Max, but so far they work great. Just some squealing on the front one. They're attached to these WTB wheels. Honestly, these things roll better than any wheels I've ever ridden. These are really nice. They're solid. They're pretty heavy. There you can see the handlebars flared out. Honestly, this thing looks like a moose to me from back here. Cella Royale saddle. I think it's a Rampage. FSA tempo crankset. So far they're pretty stiff. I like the way they turn the pedals. Like when I put the power down, it doesn't feel like mushy or anything like that. Last but not least, got my, I don't know if you can see it, my Axiom Bag on the front. I love this thing. It's made from reclaimed fish nets from the ocean. I think that's so awesome. And I love the bag. I got one from my brother-in-law for Christmas. Me and my wife did. And so far it has held up really well. The only problem I have, and it may be because I'm using a small size frame, it rubs like on the wheel. Even though I've got this much space in between, it still bounces down and rubs on there. But so far I love the bag. So yeah, that's the Pure Cycles gravel adventure bike. If you ever get a chance to ride one, please do. It is so much fun. Rolls awesome. One more thing I didn't say, it's got the Hutchinson override tires on here. I mean, so far they've been great tires, off-road and on. They roll, you can tell there's some friction that you're losing some speed with, but so far I've really loved these tires and just the bike as a whole. So yeah, that's my bike. So I'm sure you saw it in my bag there. Perky Jerky, #1, cyclist approved, makes you more beautiful supplement for cycling, and it's my favorite. Taking a little detour on the way home on this beautiful country road. Really nice houses as well. Sweetie. So the numbers for today's ride: 20.4 miles, 287 feet of elevation gain, a maximum gradient of 2%, and an hour and 12 minutes moving time. Time to get home and get some dinner. Peace.